2016 and 31st day of October 2016 that Gakuyo obtained from Edward Mwangi Nduati, Kenya shillings 1,200,000 by falsely pretending that the Gakuyo Investment Club was carrying out a business that would attract 2% interest, a fact he knew to be false. David Ngari alias Gakuyo, true not true?
We are asking the court to consider that the accused person was arrested at JKIA, which in the view of the investigating officer was an attempt to flee the jurisdiction.
That's litigation.
No, Your Honor, let me make my submissions.
Let us make an application. Then he objects to those issues because the way that he's taking.
Happy with what I cannot argue the way he wants me to argue.
Further, I know that the prosecution that do not oppose bond or bail. By the defense team, by Mr. Njiru, Mr. Bamboleo, and Mr. Njagi, and Mr. Omari, of course. So I'll grant the first accused person bond or bail in the following terms. A, the accused person may be granted a bond of Kenya shillings 20 million, a bond of Kenya shillings 20 million with 2 sureties of a similar amount. B, alternative to A is that the accused person may be granted a cash bill of Kenya shillings 10 million, so a cash bill of 10 million shillings, and then he'll provide 2 contact persons. Yeah, so 10 million Kenya shillings with 2 contact persons will be examined by the court. And the further directive is that one of the contact person must be an employee working with the government or public office. And then the C, the first accused with any investigation that is still pending or ongoing. And then, of course, I'll also issue warrants in respect to the second accused.
Before the issue of the warrants, we are
igoti ria milimani